Hello students, welcome to our class. In today's session we are going to study how to find the numbers between any two rational number. Okay, numbers in between rational numbers. Okay, so before that, see, we can find the numbers in between natural numbers. Okay, before finding numbers in between rational numbers, first see how to find numbers in between natural numbers. Okay, so see, write all the natural numbers between 2 and 9. See here, numbers in between natural numbers. So we have given two natural numbers 2 and 9, and here we have to find the natural numbers between these two numbers. So see which are the natural numbers between 2 and 9. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these natural numbers are lies between these two natural numbers 2 and 9. Okay, so next, natural numbers between integers. Okay, means suppose if we have given two integers. Okay, so let us take example. Write all integers between -4 and 5. So see, we have given these two integers -4 and 5, and here we have to find integers between -4 and 5. So what are the integers between -4 and 5? So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the integers between these two integers. Okay, so we can find the natural numbers between two natural number and the numbers between two integers. Okay, now see how to find. So here we can easily find the numbers in between natural numbers and numbers in between integers. Now how we will find the numbers between rational numbers? Okay, so let us take example. Write all the rational numbers between 1/2 and 3/4. Okay, so see here we have given example. Write all rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So see, we know 1/2 is a rational number, 3/4 is also rational number. So here we have to find rational number between these two rational numbers. Then how we will find? So here we can easily observe and write the numbers. Okay, now here we can't understood. So here there is a method to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, so see what is that method. So first step is make the, so here we know rational numbers are nothing but the fraction. Okay, so first step is convert the rational numbers into the fractions with same denominator. Okay, so what is our first step? If the denominators are not same, then only we can do this. Okay, so here you observe that denominators of these two rational numbers are not same. Okay, so here what is our first step? First step is convert the rational numbers. Means here we have to convert these two rational numbers 1/2 and 3/4 into the fractions with denominator with same denominator. Okay, so here you observe that these two fractions have different denominators, here 2 and here 4. Then we know how to find the first find to make the denominator same. We find LCM of 2 and 4. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 4? LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Okay, Now see here, to convert these rational numbers into fractions with same denominator, here we have to make their denominators what? 4. Now here write this fraction. Here to make denominator 4 we have to multiply by 2, because 2 2s are 4. As we multiply denominator by 2, we must have to multiply numerator by 2, and we will get 2 by 4. Okay, now see here. Here already denominator is 4, so we can write as it is. Now see here, 1 by 2 is converted into 2 by 4, and 3 by 4 as it is. Okay, now see, to find rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 is nothing but to find rational numbers between 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. Okay, now see, rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 is nothing but rational numbers between what? 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. Okay, because 1 by 2 is converted into 2 by 4 and 3 by 4 as it is. Okay, now see here, you observe that 2 and 3 are consecutive numbers. Their denominators are same, and 2 and 3 are consecutive numbers. So on the number line, how we will represent these numbers? So if the denominators are same. Now see here, denominator is 4, so here each unit means 0 to 1, each unit is divided into 4 equal parts, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now first is 1 by 4, second is 2 by 4, third is 3 by 4, last is 4 by 4. And see, 4 by 4 is nothing but 1, 0 is nothing but 0 by 4. Okay, so it depends upon the denominator. Here denominator is 4, so here each unit can be divided into 4 equal parts, 1 2 3 4. First number is 0 by 4, second is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. You continue. Okay, now you observe that here 2 by 4 and here 3 by 4. Then you can find, here we don't have, see here we can't observe rational number between these two rational number. Okay, but see here 2 by 4 and 3 by 4 our new rational numbers. Now see, when rational numbers are converted into equivalent fractions with increasingly bigger denominators, more and more rational numbers will be lines between them. Okay, so see here, so here the denominator of any number can be increased. Okay, then the numerator also increases the same number of times. Suppose see here, if here denominator is 4, and if we increase the denominator by 10 times. Okay, so as we increase the denominator, so here numerator also increase by 10 times. Okay, so here if we increase the denominator by 10 times, so numerator also increase by same times. Okay, so see here we get 20 upon 40 and here 30 upon 40. Now you observe that 2 by 4 is converted into 20 by 40. So 2 by 4 is nothing but 20 by 4, and 3 by 4 is nothing but 30 by 40. Okay, now see here, when we take 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, so you can't observe rational numbers between these two rational numbers. But if you increase their denominators by 10 times, you can increase by any times. Okay, you can increase by 5 times, you can increase by 6 times. Okay, it depends on you. So here denominator is increased by 10 times. Okay, so our new fractions are, so 2 by 4 is converted into 20 by 40 and 3 by 4 is converted into 30 by 40. Now see, now we can observe, see here 20, between 20 and 30 how many numbers are there? So see, 20 by 40, after 20 by 40 there is 21 by 40, then 22 by 40, then 23 by 40. Okay, see here 24 by 40, 25 by 40, 26 by 40, 27 by 40, 28 by 14, 29 by 40, and last 30 by 40. Okay, so you observe that between these two numbers, how many rational numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and these two numbers are nothing but 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. So in 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, how many rational numbers? So you can observe that 21 by 40, 22 by 40, and so on, 29 by 40. So between 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, these rational numbers are lies. So at this step, you can't observe the rational numbers between these two rational numbers, but now you can say the rational numbers between these two rational numbers are 21 by 40, 22 by 40, and so on, 29 by 40. Okay, so here we get 9 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So here see, we have increased this denominator by 10 times. So somebody can increase denominator by 100 times also. I have told you it is depend upon you. So here if we increase denominator by 100 times, then what we will get? 4 into 100, here 2 into 100. So is nothing but 200 by 400. And here 3 by 4 is equal to here 4 into 100 and 3 into 100. So it gives 300 by 400. Now see, denominators are same. So 2 by 4 is converted into 200 by 400, and 3 by 4 is converted into 300 by 400. Now see, rational number between these two rational numbers are nothing but rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So you observe that here denominators are same, here numerators 200 and here 300. So how many numbers are lies between 200 and 300? So you know, after 200 by 40 there is 201 by 400, next 202 by 400, and so on. You go up to 200 what 299 upon 400, and last is 300 upon 400. So you observe that between those two rational numbers, how many rational numbers are there? 99. So rational numbers between these two rational numbers are nothing but between these two. So you see here in 2 by 4 and 3 by 4 we got another rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? 201 by 400, comma 202 by 400, and so on, 299 by 400. So in this between two rational numbers we got 99 rational numbers. So as we increase the denominators by sometimes, so we get more and more rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Okay, so you can find infinite number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, you can find infinite number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. So here, for what is our step? First is to find the rational numbers between two rational number. First, if the denominators are not same, convert it into the fractions with same denominator, and for that we have to find LCM of denominators. Okay, as we converted this into new fractions with same denominator, then see here 2 and 3 are consecutive. 2 and 3 are consecutive, so we can't find rational numbers between these two, we can't observe. So for that again 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, so again increase their denominators by many times. You can increase by many times, here 10, 100, you can increase by 1000, you can increase by 2, 5, etc. Okay, so here you can converted denominator, we can increase denominator by many times. Okay, so as we increase denominators, numerators also increase by same times, and obtain fractions. Okay, now new obtained fractions, you can find the rational numbers between new obtained fraction. So you will get infinite number of rational numbers. It depends upon this number. Okay, now here we got one property, that between two rational numbers, between two rational numbers there are infinite number of rational numbers. Means between two rational numbers there are infinite number of rational numbers. Okay, and you observe that between two natural numbers, see here, between two natural numbers there are finite number of natural numbers. See here, between these two natural numbers there are 6 natural numbers. Between these two integers there are 8 integers. Okay, so between two natural number there are finite number of natural numbers. Between two integers there are finite number of integers. But in case of rational number, between two rational numbers there are infinite numbers of rational numbers. Okay, now let's move toward our practice set number 23. In practice set number 23 we have asked find the, okay, so question is write three rational numbers that lies between the given two numbers. Okay, so see here, this is our question. Now see, first example is 2 by 7, 6 by 7. So see here, we have to find the rational numbers between these two rational numbers. But here we have to find limited, means only three rational numbers. Okay, here we have to find three rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Okay, so we know how to find the rational numbers between two rational number. First make their denominator same. So here already their denominators are same. Okay, so here, and 2 and 6, between 2 and 6 how many numbers are there? 3, 4, 5. So after the rational numbers between 2 by 7 and 6 by 7 are 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7. Okay, you observe that. So here already denominators are same, so you can write directly. Okay, now second, 5 by 7 comma 11 by 7. So see here, here also denominators are same, so the rational numbers between these two rational numbers are, the rational numbers between 5 by 7 and 11 by 7 are what? 6 by 7, 7 by 7, 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7. Okay, so here we have asked to write only 3, so here we get 5. Okay, so you can write more rational numbers also. Okay, so here now third example is 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. Now see, here the denominators are not same, so our first step is make their denominators same. So for that, to make the denominators same, find LCM of denominators. So your denominators are 5 and 3, so find LCM of 5 and 3. So what is the LCM of 5 and 3? So LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Okay, now here make the denominators of each fraction 15. Now 4 by 5 and 2 by 3, our given numbers are 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. Here we have to make their denominators 15. Now here to make denominator 15 we have to multiply this 5 by 3. As we multiply denominator by 3, we also multiply numerator by 3, so we get 12 by 15. Now see here to make denominator 15 we have to multiply 3 by 5, because 3 5s are 15, and as we multiply denominator by 5 we must have to multiply numerator by 5. Okay, now we get 10 by 15. Now see, you observe that 4 by 5 is converted into 12 by 15, and 2 by 3 is converted into 10 by 15. Now you observe that 10 and 12, between 10 and 12 there is only one rational numbers, 11 by 15, 10, 11, 12. So in between these two rational numbers there is only one. So here we have asked find three rational numbers. So to find more rational numbers, what we will do, we increase the denominators. Now here increase the denominators of obtained fraction, 12 upon 15, 10 upon 15. Now to increase the denominators, you can multiply by any number. So here you can increase denominators. Okay, so here if you increase denominators by 2 times, okay, you can increase by any times. Okay, so here if we increase by denominators 2 times, so and as we increase denominators, the numerator also increase by same times. Okay, now see what you will get. 24 by 30 and here 20 by 30. Now see again, this 12 by 15 is converted into 12 by 15 is converted into what? 24 by 30. And 10 by 50 is converted into 20 by 30. Now see how many rational numbers are lies between these two rational number. Here denominators are same, here 20, here 24, means how many rational numbers? 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. After this 24. Okay, so here see we get 3 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Therefore rational numbers between, so these are nothing but what? Our 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. So rational numbers between 4 by 5 and 2 by 3 are this. Okay, 21 by 30 comma 22 by 30 comma 23 by 30. So here we have to ask 3. So here we find 3. Okay, because and to find more rational numbers you can increase the denominator. So here see we got only one rational numbers between these two, but here we need 3. So for that you can increase the denominators. Okay, now see next example. Now next is 7 by 9 and minus 5 by 9. So here already denominators are same, so you can find directly. So here how many numbers are lies between minus 5 and 7? So numbers between minus 5 and 7 are minus 4, minus 3 and so on. Okay, so therefore the rational numbers between minus 5 by 9 and 7 by 9 are what? After minus 5 we get minus 4, so minus 4 by 9, then minus 3 by 9, minus 2 by 9, minus 1 by 9, 0 by 9, so it is 0, 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9. Okay, so you can go up to what? 6 by 9. Okay, so these are the rational numbers between these two rational numbers, but here we have asked write only 3. So you can write more also. Okay, so here we get 3 plus 3 9, 6 9, 11 12 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Okay, now see next minus 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay, now see here denominators are not same, so make the denominators same. So for that first find LCM of denominators. Let us find LCM of denominators, that is 3 and 5. So here we notice the LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Now minus 2 by 3 is converted into the fraction with denominator 15. So here to make denominator 15 we have to multiply by 5. As we multiply denominator by 5 we must have to multiply numerator by 5. So we get minus 10 upon 15. Now second is 4 by 5. So here to make denominator 15 we have to multiply this denominator by 3. As we multiply denominator by 3 we must have to multiply numerator by 3. We get 12 by 15. Now see here we have to find rational numbers between these two. It's nothing but rational numbers between these two. Now you can observe between minus 10 and 12 how many numbers are there? Minus 9 by 15. Okay, then minus 8 by 15, minus 7 by 15. You can go up to what? 11 by 15. Okay, so therefore the rational numbers between these two are nothing but these two. Okay, the rational numbers between minus 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are minus 9 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 9 by 15, minus 8 by 15, minus 7 by 15 and so on. here up to 12 means 11 by 15. Okay, so here we get more rational numbers between these two, but here we have to ask only 3, so you can write 3 also. Okay, now see next 0 and minus 3 by 4. Okay, so here we have to ask we have to find the rational numbers between these two. Okay, so here denominators of these two fractions are, so here you can write 0 as 0 by 4 also. Okay, so there is no difference between, so you can write 0 as 0 by 4. Our next number is minus 3 by 4. Now how many rational numbers between 0 by 4 and minus 3 by 4? So see here denominators are same, so how many rational numbers between 0 by 4 and minus 3 by 4? So see 0 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. So here on number line, here 0, here minus 1, minus 2, and here minus 3. So 0 by 4. Okay, so in 0 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 you get only 2 rational numbers, but here we need 3. Okay, so for that we have to increase the denominator. So here first write 0, that is 0 by 4, and second 3 by 4. Okay, now you increase the denominator. Suppose if you increase the denominator by 3 times, so here we get 3 into 3, and here 0 into 3, so it will get 0 by 12, and here we get 9 by 12. Now see how many rational numbers between 0 by 12 and 9 by 12. Okay, so between these two rational numbers, how many rational numbers are there? Here are 0, here 9, means start from 0, means 1 by 12. After 0 you get 1 by 12, 2 by 12, 3 by 12, you can go up to what? 8 by 12. So between these two rational numbers, how many rational numbers are there? 1 by 12 up to 8 by 12. So therefore rational numbers between these two rational numbers are nothing but these two, 0 and 3 by 4 are. So rational numbers between 0 and 3 by 4 are 1 by 12, 2 by 12, 3 by 12, and so on 8 by 12. Okay, so you can find more rational numbers also. Here we have asked only write 3. Okay, so you can write more rational numbers also, but see here if we consider this, so here we see here between 0 and minus 3 there are only 2, that's why but we need 3, means more rational numbers, so that's why we increase the denominator. Okay, so understood that. Okay, now solve next example number 7, minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 4. So see here denominators are same, so there is no need to make denominators same. Okay, now see between minus 3 and 5, minus 3 after minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So between minus 3 and 5 how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so between these two rational numbers there are 7 rational numbers, so you can write rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 4 are, it start from minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4, then 0, then 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and so on 4 by 4, and 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. Okay, so see here between these two rational numbers how minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and so on 1. 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. Okay, so as like this you can find rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay, thank you.